sorry, guys. I know. Okay. Here we're back, guys.
Hi, I'm new.
Yes.
You're not even in there. Your green cat's not even in there.
It's a fox.
Oh, freak you.
Oh,
I don't care.
well,
Doesn't look like I care.
okay. So this girl right here.
You can't even see her. Haha. Oh, you're popping up. Popping up. Get your booty over here.
Is Ryoko.
Hi, I'm evil. I'm very evil.
You know what that cat over there is.
Ow! Alright, that's our intro. Cue the music.
Bye.
Well, for now.
Bye.
Ooh. You got an injury.
Oh, just to tell you guys, this is part 2. Ah! That's the pop-up thing. Sorry guys, let's just pause this video for a minute.
Okay, move. Don't move. Okay, kids, you can go like play in the garden.
Wait. You can't do it. Have you seen a cat that is,
Oh, I see her right over there. You should go get her.
you guys have to run. She's trying to destroy the world.
Alright, come on, friend, let's go. Hold up, I need my phone. I need my phone, girl. Hold up, I'm one of them too. I gotta hurry.
Hold on, wait. Why do you need us? Why do you need us? Why do you want to know? It's none of your business. Well, I'm sorry, but I just want to know.
We gotta bring the laptop right.
Sorry.
You guys just missed half of it.
Oof. Why do you really want us? Why do you want to know? It's none of your business.
Well, I'm sorry, but I just want to know. We're kind of like blocking it. Maybe like or something.
Scratch tail.
I will attack you like a attack helicopter. Bombs away.
Scratch stars.
You missed me. Sorry. Good thing.
Why did I fall asleep?
Good thing cats can fly.
Well, you're a cat?
No, cats can't fly. I'm just flying. Attack helicopter, go.
Superstar jump.
You missed.
Why do I get a turn?
An attack! Alright, I'm coming over.
Super bite. Scar scratch.
That hurt.
Medic! Dead.
Hold up. I'm getting the medic. Where's those little flowers? Oh, I gotta get a flower.
Dead. Scream. I'm mad now. Dead. Scream.
Hi, I'm the medic. Eat the flower, you'll be healthy.
Dead. Scream.
I'm better. It's just having farts.
Ow!
Okay, eat the flower, you're gonna be fine.
Why are you even here in the battle?
Because I'm the freaking nurse.
There is an evil cat here.
So I'm trying to help everyone. Alright, you're held. Bye.
Thank you for interrupting our battle.
You're welcome.
Dead scream. this body away and
No, I'm coming after her. I'm not. No, give it here.
Ow, I just broke my thumb.
Oh,
that really hurt.
I'm taking a video of you, right?
Don't come over the poop. This poop.
Did I really?
No, the poop's right over there. You were near it.
Oh my god. My friend's dead.
Hannah, what are you doing? Get up. Your hair. Your hair's gonna be in pee. Wait for me. Okay, I got her body. Time to fly. Okay, everything's secured now. You may get out of your hiding spot.
Alright, everyone. Yeah, hi. I'm back. I'm interrupting. Yo.
Alright, you gotta come over here. Alright, nurse back. What up, I'm nurse. Why?
Hold on.
Hi. This is mine.
Yo.
Yo. Hi.
Yo.
That one has a little voice. Yo. You better subscribe to this video. I'm awesome, boys. Okay, sorry about that. Well, make sure you subscribe. God bless you. And get your booty over here. Okay. Bye-bye.
Hold on, no, not yet. Subscribe, like, and comment for the next one. See you later. God bless you, and may the Lord.
My freaking head! My head! No! The computer!
Don't spread out your legs. We're gonna get the monster.
And may the Lord be with you all.